Imagine you're transporting your load and suddenly the police stops you. And now if you're carrying something illegal like drugs inside your cargo, you are done. You might think it is smart enough to hide it inside the load, but believe me, the police will definitely find it out. And not only you, the customer who trusted you with their load will also be in trouble, and also the family who is waiting for you to return will also be in trouble. I will explain this scenario with an incident. There were two drivers who were transporting 20 feet container from Vizag to Coimbatore. While a police checking for a checkup, they had ganja hidden inside their load. The police immediately caught both of them and put them behind the bars. Drivers sometimes take part loads to fill the space in their truck without informing the customer. I will tell you what problems you may face. A driver transporting a load from Kanpur to Siliguri made a stop at Banaras and picked up some fensidyl cough syrup. Now you might ask, what is wrong in it? Fensidyl cough syrup, if you consume more than 100 ml, it is stronger than alcohol. The BSF at Siliguri caught the driver and now he is behind the bars. If your truck has space, don't put yourself into the temptation of taking part loads no matter what the product is. In places like Gujarat, Bihar, people make the same mistakes and get caught. Many people may tell you your truck has space, pick some part loads, you can earn extra money, and you can also take part loads like alcohol or something. Police will not check. But remember, you will get caught because Gujarat and Bihar places are strictly prohibited for alcohol, and taking alcohol as load is illegal there. And if they catch you during a border check, no doubt you will be in jail. If the customer loads is seized, they can use their connection, hire a lawyer, or also seek political help to get their load back. But if you go to jail, you can't afford the cost, because hiring a lawyer or taking your case to the court, it will drag for months. And the small temptation of earning a lot of money will put you in a bigger problem. And if you get caught in narcotic case, your vehicle will be seized, owner and driver both will be in jail, and also your truck will be blacklisted so that you can't drive it anywhere. If you're transporting a load, don't be in a temptation to earn 10-20,000 extra by taking illegal goods like ganja, cocaine or marijuana into your load, because many people may brainwash you telling you like your vehicle has some space, take part loads, no one will see. But those are the people who are going to report to the police behind your back. The first case which I talked about, look at the FIR copy. The vehicle number, how many people are there, the location, everything a person has updated to the police. That's how the police also found out the truck. So you don't make the same mistake. I believe that after watching this video, you will not make the same mistake. Share it as much as you can to your drivers so that they will avoid these mistakes too. Thank you for watching.